So how to connect both mics via a mixer and then a console to a computer. That's what we are going to see today. So here we have two mics, mic 1 and mic 2, and there is a XLR cable from mic 1, and then there is the same XLR cable from mic 2, and both the cables are they reach the console. So you can see mic 1, mic 1 and mic 2. You can see that here. So we can see that there are two lines, mic 1 and mic 2. They enter the console. So the first control that we have is gain. So gain helps us to increase the strength of the signal. So in case you are hearing the voice low, you can increase it. But it doesn't mean you have to increase it to the maximum, because the more you increase it, the more noise is also going to get in. So you have to balance it so that you are able to hear the signal as well as you are not hearing too much of noise. So you can balance it, right? So after we are done with the gain, the next work we are going to do is set the levels. So again, levels, you can check each mic's level separately. So this will be mic 1, this will be mic 2. So this will be mic 1, this will be mic 2. So you can set the level. Again, don't go too much because you'll get lots of noise. You have to fix it in a particular way that so that you can hear the audio clearly as well as you don't get so much of noise, right? Once you are done with the gain and you are done with the levels, the next place we have to check is your phantom power. So only if you turn on this, the mic is going to work. Otherwise, the mics will not work. So you better turn on the phantom power. This red color button gives power to both the mics. So it's important to turn this on, right? Then you have the next thing, that is your levels, overall levels. So your overall levels will make sure how the output is going to be recorded. Again, don't increase it too much, don't decrease it so much. Make sure it is in a balanced way. So if you want to just reduce one channel's one mic's voice, you can try it here. You can reduce it like this. 0 means very less, 15 means very high. Okay. So if you want to reduce it, you can turn it left side. If you want to increase it, you can go to right side, right? So gains, levels, and then you have the final level for both. Here it records, it affects both the output. So once you have kept it here, then you can see it from this cable. You are taking the output to the audio interface. So the role of audio interface is it makes sure that analog signal coming from the mixer is getting converted to a digital signal, and then it goes to the computer via a USB, right? So again, here the output of this mixer is going to be the input of this Behringer mixer, right? Here you can set the, again you can set the gains. Don't increase it too much, make sure it's balanced. And then this is the output. Here you can set the output. So this is called as the monitor. So again, here if you want to hear, you have to give the direct monitor. If this is pressed, you can directly get the output. So here you have to use the headphones. You can use the attachment, and then you can use the headphones like this. So once you're done here, you can hear what is the output that is going from this mixer, this audio interface. So again, on the back you can see there is a on off button. So you have to turn this on, 48 volt on, in order for both the mics to work. This gives them the power. So here you have to turn on phantom power of 48 volt. Here also you have to turn on the phantom power of 48 volt. Once all these are done, you can make sure that the audio is going to be recorded in the computer.